Yeah, yeah.
I'm still on a moreplex
And
decoder.
construction
There are also
limited.
some other problems
We
people
dey
are
connect
facing
your
on
world,
this decoder,
no limit.
and
From rooftop
they
to
don't know how to go
skyline, we dey
about
rise
it.
so high. Fix your dish, make your signal
This is
touch
our
the sky.
moreplex
No more
card.
blurry screen, no more delay.
Now,
We bring
when you
clear
got a
vision
brand
every
new
single day.
moreplex
From
decoder,
Bauchi to Douala, we dey on the
it
move.
comes with
Installation
all the
clean, everything
accessories
approved.
in
If your
the
signal down,
decoder
no worry
box.
again. Nguagoh
You
Energy
have
go
this
install
card.
am sharp, sharp, no
Some people have moreplex decoder
pay. We dey
and
connect you,
they are also having
signal
problems
to
like terminal not
power.
active,
Nguagoh
and they
Energy,
don't know how to
make
go
your
about that
vision
problem. Or
unfold.
they think their
Installation
decoder
excellence, everything complete.
is
We
having a
bring the
problem that
future
cannot be solved. That
right to
is
your street.
a minor fault. It can still be solved. So when you are facing problems like terminal not active, how to go about this problem?
Hotel, home or business.
It is
We
very
want your dish
simple
with perfect grace.
to solve
Decoders
this
set
problem.
channel no
Terminal
flow.
not active.
Anywhere you dey, na clear view you go
Very simple
know.
to solve this problem.
Rain or storm, we still
When you
stand
bought
firm. Our
your brand new
commitment no dey
decoder
go wrong. We
from
no
your
just
shop,
work, we dey transform.
you got a
Changing
brand
the
new
world
decoder
with every platform.
from your shop.
Power of vision, power of light. We
After
keep the system
unboxing
running right.
this carton,
From small setup to big
you
design.
had
Nguagoh
this
Energy
card
always
that came out of your decoder.
we dey connect you,
Now,
signal
on this
to
card,
the world.
when you turn behind this card,
Nguagoh Energy,
there
make your
is a
vision
serial number
unfold.
pasted behind this card.
Installation
Or
excellence, everything
on your
complete.
carton of your decoder,
Bring the future
there is a serial number pasted on the carton. Now, even on your decoder, when you go behind your decoder, you also find a serial number behind your decoder. Okay, some serial number may come and maybe in the process of packaging this carton, they may omit the serial number and take a serial number of another decoder and paste on your carton. That is the reason why you have a serial number under your decoder, you have a serial number on your card, and you have a serial number on your carton. That means when you have your moreplex decoder like this, verify if on your carton you are having the same serial number with your card, the same serial number with your decoder. In case that if your carton is missing or if your card is missing, you will simply turn your decoder and you will find your serial number under your decoder. Let me show you what I mean behind your decoder. This is what I mean. Behind your decoder, there is also a serial number behind your decoder. So if you got your decoder, verify first your serial number. If the same serial number you have on your decoder is the same serial number on your card, the same serial number on your carton. In case of problems like terminal not active, to solve these problems. So when you verify all this information, now you can now contact a supplier or your distributor. When you contact your supplier or your distributor, he will ask you to snap your problem, or contact your supplier or your distributor with the image of your problem sent to your supplier or to your distributor. Now, your supplier or your distributor may ask you, what is your serial number? This is your serial number on your card. your serial number behind your decoder, your serial number on your carton. Send him those information. He will activate and unlock it. So problems like terminal not active, it simply means that your bundle has expired. Maybe you subscribe for 1 month bundle, or you subscribe for daily bundle. When it finish, you will find problems like terminal not active, terminal not active. Some people think that terminal not active is a new problem. Now, in some decoders, it will appear as program not processed. Program not processed. So, contact your supplier or your distributor and this problem will be solved. When you contact your supplier or your distributor, he will ask you to send your details. Those details have been given to you. So, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.